आरबी, आई थिंक वी नीड टू चेंज द टेस्ट लिटिल बिट. वो कहते हैं ना, मंजिल उनको मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. मंजिल उनको मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है.
So let's call on the stage my dear sister Ashika Di of class 7 to deliver a motivational and powerful poem.
Please welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Respected Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, guests, teachers and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Ashika Siddiqa from Standard 7. Today I am here to deliver a motivational poem. If you ever put successful people on a pedestal and believed that they have something which you don't have, you must listen to this poem. It will surely change your mind. This poem is titled as Equipment, written by Edgar Albert Guest. Figure it out of yourself, my friends. Figure it out of yourself. You have all that the greatest of men have had. 2 arms, 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes, and the brain to use if you would be wise. With this equipment they all began. So start for the top and say, I can. So start for the top and say, I can. Look them over, the wise and great. They take their food from a common plate. With similar knives and forks they use. With similar laces they tie their shoes. The world considers them brave and smart. But you have all they had when they made their start. You can triumph and come to skill. You can be great if only you will. You are well equipped for what fight you chose. You have legs, arms and a brain to use. The man who has risen great deeds to do began his life with no more than you. You are the handicap you must face. You must choose your place. You must say where you want to go. How much will you study the truth to know? God has equipped you for life. God has equipped you for life, but He lets you decide what you want to be. Courage must come from the soul within. Courage must come from the soul within. The man must furnish the will to win. So figure it out of yourself, my friends. You were born with all that the greatest of men have had. With your equipment they all began. Get hold of yourself and say, I can. Get hold of yourself and say, I can. When you move forward with faith and conviction, the universe conspires to help you. And please remember, nothing moves until you do. Nothing moves until you do. Assalamu alaikum. Khuda Hafiz.
It was powerful as her.
Yes, it was.